British caravan and motorhome manufacturer Bailey is as beloved by outdoor enthusiasts in the UK as Winnebago is in the US. The company has been building stylish and spacious leisure vehicles in South Bristol for over 7 decades, and recently, it has launched the 2025 season range, which includes the highly anticipated Unicorn Deluxe Caravan series. Designed to make road tripping and camping more comfortable and convenient, the new lineup comes with flawlessly configured interiors that seamlessly blend luxury with practicality to create that coveted feeling of home away from home. The Unicorn Deluxe range includes a total of 6 distinctive models, each with full-spec amenities, modern fittings, and luxury touches. Compared to the existing Unicorn range, the new models introduce a host of new features and design elements meant to enhance comfort, functionality, and style, redefining luxury caravanning. Today, we'll focus on Bailey's new Union Deluxe Cabrera, a travel trailer model with a rear double island bed layout that usually appeals to travel-loving couples. Embodying Bailey's commitment to innovation and quality, this caravan is built with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience regardless of whether you're embarking on weekend getaways or planning longer journeys in the middle of nature. It sits on a single-axle chassis and offers accommodation for up to 4 people. This makes it ideal for a couple or a small family seeking to explore the outdoors and travel in the comfort of their small rolling home. It is built with an aerodynamic GRP-skinned Alutech body shell that ensures strength, durability, and stability. The upper body panels are built using a timber-free construction, with a composite plastic internal skeleton, a polystyrene insulation core, and a GRP inner wall lining. The structural aluminum extrusion framework has no external fixing points, and the awning channels are concealed on both sides. The bodywork is finished in polar white and adorned with chrome and bronze graphics, with resin badging. The travel trailer rides on black 15-inch TUV-tested alloy wheels with premium branded tires, and due to its lightweight construction, it has a MTPLM of just 1,600 kilograms or 3,527 pounds. It can be towed by most SUVs, pickup trucks, and even larger electric vehicles. In terms of dimensions, it is 7.3 meters long, 2.26 meters wide, and 2.67 meters high. The interior looks unique and intimate, and an extra-large front window that extends over the roof coupled with several other lateral windows make it particularly light and airy. The big front window, which the company calls an infinity window, is a bit like a giant high-definition TV screen, where you can watch the beauty of nature unfold in front of your eyes while you enjoy your cup of tea. Various new features and thoughtful design elements enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of the new Unicorn Deluxe Cabrera, including the natural oak curved overhead cabinet doors with pearl bronze detailing, baystone worktop laminate finishes, premium quality matte black and chrome finish fixtures and fittings, pull-out kitchen pantry with wire basket storage, and large fully lined shower cubicle with a new illuminated feature panel. The layout includes a front seating area, a sleek and practical kitchen, a central bathroom, and a rear bedroom. The twin couches at the front offer seating for 4 and come accompanied by a chest of drawers with an integrated pull-out table. Bailey's signature 3-window front offers fantastic views of the surroundings and lets in plenty of sunlight. The smart kitchen comes with a baystone worktop and splashback and a stylish swan neck mixer tap. A drop-down counter extension, an integrated worktop infill with a chopping board, and the stove's lid, when not in use, extend the meal prep area. In terms of appliances, it is equipped with a Thetford combined oven, grill and hob with electronic ignition, a dual-fuel hob with electric hot plate and 3 gas burners, a microwave with digital controls, and a 137-liter tower refrigerator with freezer compartment. The bathroom facilities are located in the center of the caravan and include a shower cubicle, a Thetford swivel bowl toilet, a vanity with countertop basin, and a large overhead cabinet with mirrored doors. The washroom hides behind a solid door that also closes off the bedroom from the kitchen and lounge. An additional sliding door offers complete privacy in the bathroom. The bedroom is at the rear of the Cabrera and is fitted with a longitudinal island bed that has 2 modes. In day mode is pushed back to free some room to walk around, and in night mode, it pulls out to give increased length to stretch your legs. It measures 1.90 by 1.44 meters at its maximum. The bed is flanked by floating-shaped wardrobes and handy ledges with hinged tops and integrated storage cubbies. In addition, the bed also lifts up to reveal even more storage space underneath. At the foot of the bed, there is a nifty vanity unit with a large mirror above on one side and a wall TV bracket on the other side. A Heki roof light above the bed allows you to stargaze at night. As we mentioned in the beginning though, this is a 4-berth caravan, and berths 3 and 4 are from the lounge or seating area up front. The twin sofas can be used as two 1.75 by 0.63 meter singles or converted into a 1.93 by 1.31 meter double bed. Other noteworthy upgrades that bring this new Unicorn Deluxe travel trailer up to date in terms of technology include a wireless phone charger pad with USB and USB-C points, a Sonos portable speaker, CCT zonal and dimmable ambient lighting systems that can be operated via a portable control box, and a Truma 130-watt lightweight flexible solar panel on the roof. Overall, the Bailey Unicorn Deluxe Cabrera travel trailer is an appealing option for both couples and families, offering an interesting mix of comfort, style, and modern-day technology. In terms of pricing, this model will set you back £33,399.